kids were super upset, and obviously it's been really traumatic. They actually just really miss him being home because he's in the hospital right now.
A Kelowna pastor is living his worst nightmare. Sean Lalonde is a pastor at Kelowna Christian Center. He's the youth pastor there, and he's also a devoted father to 5 children who are under 15, as well as a loving husband to Val Lalonde. The family went to Hawaii for a vacation, but when they came back, something didn't feel right. Sean went to the hospital complaining of stomach pains, and that's when he found out that he has stage 4 liver cancer that isn't operable. He's now fighting for his life.
He went to the hospital 2 days after we got back from Hawaii, and yes, he was told that he has stage 4 liver cancer. With that, there are 4 different treatments, and he is not a candidate. The first one being surgery, he's not a candidate for surgery. The second one being transplant, he's not a candidate for transplant. The third being radiation, he's not a candidate for radiation. And the fourth being chemo, which he may be strong enough to do that, but at this point, medically, they're not sure. We have 5 children, the youngest being 5 years old and the oldest being 16. And they're all, And so it's totally out of the blue. We had no idea that he had this illness whatsoever. We were planning on, this weekend, we were planning on getting a Christmas tree, making gingerbread houses, and looking at life. So that changed pretty fast. We believe in the power of miracles, and we believe in a God that does miracles. So we're praying for a miracle right now. We have a prayer page and a GoFundMe page, and we have tons of support coming into both of these outlets. But right now, because of our medical options have closed, we've started to look into natural options and finding a lot of hope in those. We believe in God, and we believe in a God of miracles, not just some guy up in the clouds. So this is the perfect time. We have a peace because we know God is working a miracle.
For Castanet News, I'm Madison Earhart in Kelowna.
Looking for a new ride? Click our auto mall in the yellow masthead for a huge selection of car dealers from throughout the valley.